We'll guide you through how to download CodePen projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the CodePen website. Log into your account if you're not already logged in. Then, navigate to the project you want to download. Once you're on the project page, look for the Export button located in the bottom right corner of the editor panel. Click on it, and you'll see several options. Choose export.zip to download the entire project in a zip file. Your browser will prompt you to save the file to your preferred location on your computer. After downloading, you can extract the zip file using any file extraction software like WinRAR or 7-zip. Once extracted, you'll have access to all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files along with any assets used in the project. This method is great for backing up your work or using the code offline. If you need to tweak something or run the project locally, you can open the files in a code editor like VS Code. Remember that some features that rely on CodePen's backend services might not work locally, so keep that in mind. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.